Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and digital assets. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Exodus in 2025. If you're looking to move your XRP to a more secure wallet like Exodus for better control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check details to avoid any hiccups. Crypto transactions are irreversible. First off, before we dive in, make sure you have a few things ready. You'll need an active Coinbase account with XRP in it, and the Exodus wallet app installed on your device. Also, remember that XRP requires a destination tag for most transfers, so don't skip that step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in securely. Navigate to your dashboard and locate your XRP wallet. Once you're there, click on the Send or Withdraw button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's details. Step 2. Now, switch over to your Exodus wallet. Open the app, select the XRP wallet from the main menu, and go to the Receive section. Here, you'll see your Exodus XRP address. Copy this carefully, along with any destination tag if it's displayed. Pro tip: double-check the address to prevent sending your assets to the wrong place. Back in Coinbase, paste the Exodus wallet address into the recipient field. If XRP requires a destination tag, enter that too. Next, input the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Don't forget to account for any network fees. Review everything one last time, then hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. Once the transfer is sent, it usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours to appear in your Exodus wallet, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your transaction status using tools like XRP Explorers. And there you have it. That's how you safely transfer XRP from Coinbase to Exodus in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. If you run into any issues, reach out to Coinbase or Exodus support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video.